Hi everyone. In this lesson I'd like to show you a really great application for how you can use the quadratic formula to help you factor polynomials. Now this is really nice if you have the quadratic formula programmed into your graphing calculator that I've shown how to do in another video. So suppose my goal would be to factor 15t squared plus 7t minus 2, and that one might be a little difficult for some students to factor. Well, what I can do is I can use my quad program, or I can do it by hand if I had to, and I could plug in a is equal to 15 and b is equal to 7 and c is equal to negative 2, and I would find my solutions are t equals 1/5 and t equals negative 2/3. Now that's going to make this equation true. And what I can do, if I know the solutions, if I know that t is 1/5 and t equals negative 2/3, if those are solutions to this equation, then I could work backwards. I could, for example, here multiply both sides of this equation by 5 and both sides of this equation by 3, and then I could bring the 1 over on this side and bring the negative 2 over on this side as well of this equation. And it turns out then that these numbers, these expressions right there, those are going to be factors that are going to factor this right here. Right? Let's just check it. So if I take 5t minus 1 times 3t plus 2, if I multiply this out, you see that I'm going to get 15t squared, 10t minus 3t, sure enough, that's the 7t in the middle, and there's my minus 2. And so this right here will be the factorization of this right there. And that'll always work. You can use your quadratic formula, whether you do it by hand or on your graphing calculator, to find the solutions. And then once you have the solutions, you can work backwards, and that will give you the factorization.